Welcome to e3D's OpenBuildings CAD build for mining projects. This video will demonstrate how we can add all the little items that take time to model and also need to be recorded in the project. So if we start from our home, go to 3D modeling, go to mechanical, go to vendor library and choose lifting and moving. I'll place quite a few items in there just to show you all the bits and pieces that we've covered in the CAD system. Now I'll just show you the data that comes in with that, and as you can see, all the data about those items are visibly shown in the data with good descriptions, their length, widths, weights and heights, and also what the ordering codes are. So we'll just keep on randomly putting in items so you can see how fast and easy it is to do. Let's choose a 7 ton. These have all been accurately modelled from catalogues within the OpenBuildings CAD system so that it makes the drawings fast to create and we don't have any unnecessary detail like engravings and fillets and chamfers on the models. It makes for much smaller models and it makes it much easier to create the drawings. Shackles is a good one because there are so many shackles and each shackle is designed for a different purpose. So it's quite handy having this in the library, and we use these all the time in designs. So it's great to be able to just choose something that's there, that's got already the data attached to it, and put that into your detailed design models. Quite often these items are missed in the detailed design models, sometimes not captured in the design drawings, and aren't really covered in the quantity takeoffs. So it's quite easily missed. So it's good to have a list of all these little items that may not make it to site, or could be missed from a cost perspective or from an ordering perspective. Split pins, if you're missing a split pin on site, it makes a big difference. But if it's recorded in your quantity takeoffs from the MIM system, then it's covered in what you deliver to anyone that's to do with the construction and fabrication. It's going to be now in your design. Even these thingles, they're on grip detector cables, they're on take-up trolleys, they're on lots and lots of items that don't ordinarily get picked up. Finally, we've got some turnbuckles. Now we're constantly adding to these libraries too, and we often take requests to concentrate or focus on a particular library that somebody needs. so we can get the whole team working on that particular library. And you can see here, it's got all the necessary details in there for all the interface, but without all the fancy fillets and engravings and everything else that comes with. Typically, if there's a vendor model, it'll come with all those engravings and all that unnecessary detail that we don't need to show on the drawings, and we don't need it in our models. But here you can see all the data that is associated with each one of those items. For instance, we can highlight any one of them and see what they are. So it's got a description of each one of the items, it's got all the details about its overall lengths and widths. It's got all of its ordering codes there too, and who it's from and what catalogue they were built from. Thank you.